In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Docs. If you use Google Docs for long periods, switching to dark mode can make the screen feel much easier on your eyes, especially at night. The good news is that Google Docs supports dark theme on both Android and iPhone or iPad, and the setting only changes how the app looks for you. It does not change the document for other people who open the same file. Let's start on Android. Open the Google Docs app, then tap the menu icon in the top left. After that, go to Settings, tap Choose Theme, and then select Dark. You can also choose System Default if you want Google Docs to automatically follow your phone's overall theme. Once you do that, the app will switch to dark mode right away. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, the steps are very similar. Open the Google Docs app, tap the menu icon, go to Settings, tap Theme, and then choose Dark. Just like on Android, you can also choose System Default if you want the app to match your device settings automatically. Now, one useful extra tip: even when dark mode is enabled, you can still preview a document in light theme. This is helpful if you want to check how the page looks normally, especially before sharing it or reviewing formatting. To do that, open your document, tap the More menu in the top right, and choose View in Light Theme. If you are working on a computer, the setup is a little different. Google's Desktop Help for Drive lets you change appearance to light, dark, or device default from the Settings menu in Google Drive. That can affect the overall Google Drive interface on desktop. So that's how to turn on dark mode in Google Docs. Open the app, go to Settings, choose Theme or choose Theme, and select Dark. It only takes a few seconds, and it can make reading and editing much more comfortable. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.